Namaskaram and swagatam to my channel, dear friends. This is Fluent in Malayalam. Hope all of you are safe at your home in this COVID-19 situation. I know it is very difficult entire the world. So let us hope for a better tomorrow and pray for that. And let's get started to our new video. So in this one, we are going to learn how to say no in Malayalam. So in the last one, you saw how to say yes. If you saw that one, this is going to be pretty easy since we are going to just compare what difference it will be to the same questions. So let's see that. So the first case is the questions which ask, do you possess or do you have? Do you possess or do you have? Answers illa as the no answer. Illa, illa. Okay. So the example from the last video, which is penayundo. Penayundo means do you have pen? Illa, which is do you have pen? Penayundo. Answer is illa. Illa. Another example is Marayundo. Do you have rain? Do you have rain? Illa. Illa. Okay. So the easiest way to remember this is questions ending with undo. Answers illa if it is a no. Questions ending with undo answers illa as a no answer. So that's that simple to understand. The second situation is where you say Allah. Allah. So it answers the questions which ask are you, is it. So the state of being questions, if the answer is no, answers Allah in Malayalam. So let's see this example. Satyamano. Satyamano. Is it true? Is it true? Allah. Allah. Marayano. Marayano. Is it raining? Allah. Allah. So the simple way to understand this, questions ending with ano, the answer is Allah if it is a no answer. Ano, Allah. Allah. Okay, got it? So here are some more examples on this. So here in this slide, you are going to see the same question, but in different methods. So it gives different answers. So let's see that. It is നിനക്ക് എന്നോട് ഇഷ്ടം ഉണ്ടോ? നിനക്ക് എന്നോട് ഇഷ്ടം ഉണ്ടോ? Which literally translates to do you have love to me? Do you have love to me? Which sounds pretty odd in English because it is do you love me, right? But why I have written like that is because that is the literal translation and it simplifies your job to answer that question, which is illa if it is a no answer, because it is asking do you have love to me. So it is the same thing in the next scenario. Look at that. നിനക്ക് എന്നെ ഇഷ്ടം ആണോ? നിനക്ക് എന്നെ ഇഷ്ടം ആണോ? So that literally translates to do you love me? Do you love me? So the answer is Allah. Answer is Allah. So it is the same thing, but the answer becomes different because of the way it is asked. Okay? Okay, so the next one. നിനക്ക് വിഷമമുണ്ടോ? നിനക്ക് വിഷമമുണ്ടോ? Do you have sadness? Do you have sadness? Again, that is the literal translation, but that is not how it is asked in English. Always it is like, are you sad? നിനക്ക് വിഷമം ഉണ്ടോ? Do you have sadness? So the answer is illa. Illa, because it is a have question. This next one is where it asks for നിനക്ക് വിഷമം ആയോ? നിനക്ക് വിഷമം ആയോ? Which is are you sad? Are you sad? So ayo is the past tense of ano. It's like the past tense of ano. So are you sad? Allah. 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 So that is pretty simple. If you were following all the other videos, this is pretty simple video. So please hit on that like button, share button, and do subscribe to this channel, because I know Malayalam, the resources for Malayalam, the online contents that are available are very less. So please hit on it and show your support. So that will be a great encouragement for me to do more videos. And if you have any questions and comments, please use the comment section below to shoot out anything. I'll be answering that. Thank you for watching. Nandi Namaskaram.